Hello friends, welcome to this cute crochet turtle coaster tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make an adorable turtle shaped coaster using t-shirt yarn. Let's start crocheting this lovely turtle coaster together. Here, I have used t-shirt yarn for making this crochet turtle coaster. We will need two different colors of t-shirt yarn and I have choose green and cream color. You can use any color of your choice. I'm using a 6 mm crochet hook for this project. We will also need scissors, plastic needle and stitch marker. So let's start making the coaster. First we will make a magic ring. After that we will do one single crochet followed by one chain stitch. Next we will make double crochet. We need repeat the same process 11 times. Here our total 11 double crochet stitches are ready and we will count them from the top stitch marker. Pull the free loop as much as possible so that ring turn into a proper circle shape. After this, we will close the circle with slip stitch at the first marker point. Then from the same stitch where we made the slip stitch, we will take the yarn back again. After that, we will make one single crochet in same stitch. Then make one chain stitch. After that we will make double crochet in same stitch point where we made the single crochet. After this, in the next stitch point we will make two double crochet stitches. We need to repeat the same process all around the circle. Two double crochet in each stitch. Here our double crochet in each stitch is almost ready. After this, we will cut the working yarn and after that pull the loop upward. Then we will close the circle using a plastic needle. You can watch the video to see how I close it neatly. After that, we will secure the free loops inside the circle as much as possible using the plastic needle so that the loop does not come out. As you can see in this video, I am closing it in the same way. You just need to follow the same process. After fixing it properly, We will cut the extra yarn using scissors. In the same way, we will also close the second free loop. Now our turtle upper body part is ready. After this, we will mark the stitch on the lower side using stitch marker. Leave every 3 stitches and place a stitch marker in next stitch. In this way, we will place marker at a total of 6 points. After that, take yarn of another color and make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then make 1 double crochet. After these 3 chain stitches and take a slip stitch in same stitch. Here the turtle's mouth is ready. Now make 4 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 and last fourth at stitch marker place. On the fourth slip stitch, make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then 1 slip stitch in same stitch. Remove stitch marker. After that, again make 4 slip stitch. And on the fourth slip stitch, make 3 chain stitches and 1 slip stitch in the same stitch. And remove the stitch marker and repeat this process 4 more times. The last fourth slip stitch will come at the turtle's head stitch marker. After completing the whole process, cut the working yarn, pull the cut part towards the upper side, then with the help of plastic needle, take the yarn back of the lower side. You can see in this video how I did this process. After that, tie both free loops together and then secure them properly with plastic needle. If you like this turtle coaster video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.